Hello, my name is Shayanta Shinggupta and welcome back to another episode of Fulcrum Drive. And in today's episode, let us try to decode Delhi Capitals, which was formerly known as Delhi Daredevils, possible playing 11 in IPL 2021. Delhi Capitals have always been an underdog in the IPL right from 2008 to 2018. But in 2019, they qualified to the playoffs. In 2020, they qualified to the finals. And 2021, though they have been dealt with a huge blow in the form of their captain, Shreyas Iyer will not be a part of this IPL 2021 and the young Rishabh Pant will be captaining the side. But Delhi Daredevils, which is now known as Delhi Capitals, is a very strong side. And also guys, this is not the playing 11 of the first couple of matches or the first match, because their pace battery in the form of Kagiso Rabada and Henrik Nordgaard will be coming back from South Africa and they have to do their mandatory 7-day quarantine. They recently played a series against Pakistan, which is now at a stalemate 1-1. So this is just the possible playing 11, the best playing 11 in the remainder of the tournament and in the playoffs if they qualify and if there are no other injuries. So opening the batting will be Shikhar Dhawan and Prithvi Shaw. Shikhar Dhawan is a seasoned opener and he performs well in all marquee events in IPL 2022, in IPL 2020. Also, he was among the run scoring charts. And Prithvi Shaw is a young opener. He's a dynamic opener. He can be very aggressive. At number 3, we'll see Steve Smith. Delhi Capitals got hold of the services of Steve Smith in the IPL auction. At number 4, we have Ajinkya Rahane. Ajinkya Rahane, there was a little bit of unavailability last season because we had Prithvi Shaw. But the moment Prithvi Shaw was not in form and he was not among the runs, Ajinkya Rahane was brought back into the playing 11. At number 5, we have the captain of the ship. We have Rishabh Pant. He can easily play as a floater. He can also play as an anchor and he is an amazing batsman. At number 6, we have the Aussie all-rounder Marcus Stoinis, who can not only tonk sixes, who can not only play as an anchor, as a sheet anchor, but can also bowl. He can also chip in with a couple of overs, maybe even 4 overs depending on the situation. At number 7, we have Akshay Patel. Akshay Patel is one of the most crucial all-rounders in the IPL setup. He's a left-arm spinner, he is a leg spinner too, and his service will be very important for Delhi Capitals. At number 8, we have Ravichandran Ashwin, Willie off-spinner Ravichandran Ashwin, who is one of the most thinking and astute cricketers. At number 9, we have Kagiso Rabada, the bowling pacer from South Africa. At number 10, we have Henrik Nordgaard, and at number 11, we have Indian pacer Ishant Sharma, who has a truckload of experience under his belt, who is one of the most important seamers when it comes of India when it comes to the test setup, but he is also very important for Delhi Capitals' chances in IPL 2021. So that's it. That is Delhi Capitals' possible playing 11 in IPL 2021. We have taken 2 spinners and we've taken 3 specialist pacers. So that's it. That's the Delhi Capitals playing 11. Thank you so much guys for watching Fulcrum Drive. If you like the video, please like, share and comment, and stay tuned for more such analysis and more such amazing playing 11 content.